For years, we have been waiting for a native WhatsApp application for the Apple Watch series. And there are so many videos on YouTube trying to, makeshift this job by some third-party application which crashes, which doesn't give the native WhatsApp application experience. There are so many applications in the App Store, but none of them comes even close to the native WhatsApp application experience. And finally, the wait is over for the Apple Watch series users. WhatsApp has officially been announced for the Apple Watch series. If you have an Apple Watch 4 or later, you can easily install it from the App Store and you're ready to go. But since it's the beginning of this new chapter, WhatsApp application is restricted to some features. But I'm sure with regular updates, you will have all the features of what you use in your iPhone will definitely come to the Apple Watch series. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the new WhatsApp update for the Apple Watch. Now, this is a welcome change for any Apple Watch user because we all have been struggling to have the native WhatsApp application. But it's good to see that the official WhatsApp version has been launched for Apple Watch series and is ready to use for any Apple Watch user. And since it's an official WhatsApp update, it's very easy to install. You have to just go to the App Store and search for the WhatsApp application. There are numerous WhatsApp applications and they don't work flawlessly because it's not the native WhatsApp application. So you have random crashes and other issues. So you need to be very careful what you're installing. So choose the one which is from the WhatsApp developer. I think this is the one, WhatsApp Messenger, simple, reliable, private. Click on that. And here it is. So this is the developer you need to look for, WhatsApp Inc. Since the application is just launched for the Apple Watch series, I'm sure there will be a lot of updates and a lot of new features coming up for the Apple Watch series. Now you have the basic functionalities. So I have already downloaded it. Once you download, just click on open. And you can see all my chats are here. So you don't get all the functionality of WhatsApp, but you get all the basic functionalities. You can type in the message. Hi, how are you doing? You can also do a voice message like, hey, how are you doing? I'm recording a YouTube video. You can send You can listen to the audio as well. All the emojis function, which you can use. You can use handwriting mode as well. And since it's a native WhatsApp application for Apple Watch, I'm not surprised to see many more functions added like the video features and sending a video or sending a file or documents. So at the moment it's restricted to the basic functionalities. You can see the profile picture. You can see all your chats. This is what we have been all waiting for, like a proper WhatsApp application which works flawlessly for Apple Watch users. So it is a welcome addition, and also you can see over here that it keeps getting updated. So there are regular updates since the WhatsApp has been launched on the Apple Watch series, and at the moment you can use it for call notifications. You can type in a full message, you can do voice messages, you can react to the messages, you can reply to the messages. You can also share clear pictures or images and you can view them. You can use the variety of emojis in the WhatsApp. You can also see the chat history. The new WhatsApp Apple Watch application requires Apple Watch Series 4 or later, and they should be at least running the watchOS 10. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.